Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance. Hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. So stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling. Messy hairstyle and very beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. Very stylish ideas of beautiful wavy curly hairstyles, too short, wave and curl. Some ideas naturally wave and curl and some ideas may curl with curler. And very beautiful collection of fine hairstyle. The eye-catching ideas of dye, blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and a very beautiful collection of burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, gray color, and some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And a very beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and a very stylish overall collection. I hope you like it. Like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. My video, share my video with your friends, your family members, and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.